choosing between MacBook Air and MacBook Pro. MacBook Pro. And MacBook Air 13-inch.
Did you not do your research before you come here?
Which is which? MacBook or MacBook Air or MacBook Pro?
M4, yeah. Yeah, but... pila na? 1,200. Get the bigger. Can you? She got more. 256, yeah. I got 512. I'm pretty sure. Okay.
Sino mas maganda? MacBook Air or MacBook Pro?
Oh, but for Berna, you don't need it. All you need it is for research and stuff like that.
Better MacBook.
No, kana para na sa kuan.
It's like for like rendering and like
Hindi na, magamit mo na madugay. Kung mahimo na kaunsa. Tag 1,000 mo ni mana nimo. Unsa man inyo duha ni tag?
Kani pa man pud nagway kang iPad.
no.
Oh, no.
Unsa man inyo duha ni sabi?
They got air. Oh, I think
Jessa got it. We should ask Jessa.
Ang
Uy, dali. Look, the one that's 500 gigabytes is 2,300.
Pro.
How much was yours?
Is there a difference in pricing?
Bern, go na Bern.
This one,
Go na Bern, go. Buy this one.
a little bit of a
You can get this. Oh, here. It's the same.
versus this one.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Choose this one. MacBook Pro.
Which one will not?
Final now, it's the MacBook
She
Pro.
got an Air.
No, Air. MacBook Air.
Oh, Chloe has a
13 inches.
Lenovo.
Air? Other ones. Check it out. Like, play with it. Like,
Ito na ngayon ang mag-unboxing na kami sa MacBook Air 13 inches laptop of Bernadette. How much is this, Bernadette?
What is this?
It's 2,000.
Are you gonna set it up now?
Apple Store.
I don't know how to set it up. Bro, what are you talking about? You just set it. Me and Justin learned how to do it. You do it.
Did you make a new Apple?
Oh, should I make a new Apple account?
So your storage is new.
I don't think I did.
I didn't, but I regret it. So
What the heck? Should I actually?
MacBook Air
That's so nice.
13
I need
inches.
It's so flat.
I think ours is dark gray.
There. Nilili namin ito sa AppleStore-Richmond Center.
You want it? Oh, okay. Why is it in Chinese? Oh.
Bro, this is enough bag. It's so big, small.
Oh, what's our password?
I don't know. Later.
Do it now.
Bro, where's the receipt for this one?
In here? Oh, that?
Yeah.
It's in the big Gap one.
What the heck? Papa. Be careful, don't make sure Papa's not taking a video of you putting important stuff, bro.
Ano din yung nail? Nakuha na doon. Gamay nga ang mga nagtatapit ka?
Cuticle?
Yeah.
Bird.
What's taking so long?
Right now? Are you sure it's here? I don't think it's here.
Yeah, it is. It's just under the clothes probably.
Oh yeah. Kenny?
Di man yung mao?
Yeah, but that's a libre na.
Ito ang tukuan.
The black one?
I'm pretty sure you bought more stuff than me, Sam.
Really?
Yeah. So then what are your bras?
But I only got one bra. It's so expensive, and I used my own money.
My head hurts, bro.
Oh, you can stop it now. It's done.
Why do you have a shoe there?
Free AirPods. Unboxing of free
Not too big.
AirPods.
I bought a 9.
When you buy
Okay.
a laptop,
I'm a 9?
there is a free AirPods.
Probably small.
Para na sa sud ha. Ang katong walang ito na sa gawas.
I know
Ano yung mga
The
kuha
blue
nila.
one. Yeah.
Eh, matay patakan ng mubog pabutang.
No. What? What do you mean by that now?
Oh, it's so gross.
Okay.